Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Framer for interactive landing page UI demos step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Framer website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Once you've filled in the required information, click on Create Account. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation email. After verifying your email, return to the Framer website and log into your new account. Once logged in, you will see the Framer dashboard. Locate the Templates section on the dashboard. Browse through the interactive landing page templates available. Select a template that fits your project needs by clicking on it. This will open up the template in the Framer editor. In the editor, you can customize elements such as text, images, and buttons. To add interactivity, look for the Interactions panel on the right. Here, you can set up actions for different user interactions like clicks and hovers. After making your changes, preview your landing page by clicking on the Preview button at the top. Once you're satisfied with your demo, you can publish it by clicking on the Publish button. You'll receive a link to your interactive landing page that you can share. And that's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.